What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the frequency response of the Whampler Tumnus. Make sure you check out when I do the Mosky Silver Horse, because there's a lot of blind study tests on the clon. I know, the clons are now $7, $8, $9, $10,000, which is fucking ridiculous. I would never pay that. But with that said, a lot of people are using DIs. A lot of people are using room mics. I personally like a room mic, but I thought what better way, to analyze what's going on between pedals than real lifetime frequency changes. So I have the Whampler Tumnus in front of me, and everything is set at 12 o'clock. So our level, which is our volume, gain, and treble. What you're seeing now is the pink noise, and when we engage the Tumnus, that's what you're looking at. That's the curve of the pedal with everything at 12 o'clock. Now, I'm not going to go through everybody's settings because I'll be here all fucking day and I'm not doing that. So we're going to max everything out at one point. But what we'll do to start out is keep the level, which is the volume, at 12 o'clock. We'll decrease the gain to 9 o'clock. Let it settle in a minute. And then we'll decrease the gain all the way. And then we'll go ahead and turn the level all the way up. And you can simply see it's just getting louder. The structure of the frequency is staying the same, so there's no point in going back and forth with the level. The other thing I want to note is on a lot of these pedals, you got to take in, pot tolerance, okay? Just because it's the same pedal does not mean the electronic components have the same tolerances. There's 1%, there's 5%, there's 20% tolerances, so you're going to have differences, and that's going to affect the sound. So by listening to these and comparing these, it's kind of bullshit. Even looking at it on this analyzer, you can't take, everything at 12, put it at 12, and expect the same pedal to have the exact same levels. It's just not going to happen because there's tolerances. Even a 1% tolerance, you're going to notice it. So, getting back to this, we're going to go ahead and we're going to leave the gain all the way down, volume at 12, and we're going to turn the treble down to 9 o'clock. Let that settle in. And then we're going to turn the treble all the way down, and you can see where that is. We're going to return the treble back to 12. And we're going to increase the gain to 9, back to 12 where we started, so everything's at 12. Then we're going to take the gain and push it to 3 o'clock. And then we're going to push the gain all the way to maximum. We'll roll the gain back to 12 o'clock where we started. And then we're going to increase the treble to 3 o'clock. And then we're going to increase the treble all the way to max. Now we'll take the gain and we'll increase that to 3 o'clock. And then we'll increase the gain all the way to max. Again, there's no point, but I'll do it anyway. The level, which is the volume, is just going to turn everything all the way up. So everything's maxed out right there. So to conclude this video, that is everything at 12 o'clock. And that's the frequency response of the Whampler Tumnus.